Hi everyone, this is Andy plus AI. And before we start, sorry, this video is not about the cardputer today. I'm taking a short break from it and testing the M5Stack Tab5 instead. In this video, I'll show you how my NES emulator works on the Tab5 with USB host support, so you can play using a real USB gamepad. The project is still in an early stage, but the main features are already working. The game loads, the emulator runs, and the PS5 DualSense works as the controller. Right now, the emulator is very simple, so the ROM has to be prepared manually. Take any NES game, rename it to game.nes, put it in a ROMs folder on the SD card, and insert it into the Tab5. On startup, the emulator automatically looks for /sd/roms/game.nes and loads it if it exists. The core of the emulator recreates the original NES hardware, the 6502 CPU, the PPU that renders 256 by 240 frames, and the APU for audio. All of this runs in a continuous loop at 60 FPS. Now let's talk about USB host. The Tab5 can act as a USB host, so it can read input from USB gamepads. When you plug in a controller, the ESP-IDF USB host stack detects it and starts sending button and stick events to the app. I wrote a parser for the PS5 DualSense, mapping the controls to NES buttons. X is button B, O is button A, square and triangle are turbo fire, create and options act as select and start, and both the D-pad and the left stick control movement. All of these inputs are forwarded to the emulator and the game reacts instantly. For video output, the original 256 by 240 NES image is scaled to match the Tab5's 720 pixel display height while keeping the original 4:3 aspect ratio. The width is calculated automatically, so the picture isn't stretched. This is a temporary renderer. A proper optimized version will come later. So right now you can load a ROM, connect a USB gamepad, and play NES games directly on the Tab5. More features are on the way, including proper scaling, full ES888 audio, and support for additional controllers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, nerds. The link to the emulator and the USB host test is available on my GitHub.